Did Nietzsche believe in science? This question seems simple, almost banal, but like every question Nietzsche invites us to ask, its simplicity is deceptive. Beneath the surface lies a labyrinth of thought, an intellectual terrain marked by paradox, provocation, and profound insight. To understand Nietzsche's relationship with science, we must venture into his mind, where desire for knowledge burns with the intensity of a sun, yet remains untethered by the cold mechanisms of scientific reason. Friedrich Nietzsche, a philosopher, a poet, a prophet, he did not hunger for science, but for something greater, knowledge. Not the sterile, observational knowledge of the detached scientist, but a knowledge that lived, breathed, and acted. Nietzsche sought knowledge that was authoritative, that shaped worlds, that challenged the very core of human existence. In Nietzsche's time, the Enlightenment had firmly established the dominance of science. The age of reason promised progress, understanding, and mastery over nature. Science became the new god, a god of predictability, calculation, and control. But Nietzsche, always the iconoclast, stood apart. He was not an enemy of science, nor did he dismiss its achievements. Instead, he questioned its soul. For Nietzsche, science lacked the vitality of life. It was knowledge without the spirit of risk, discovery without the courage to confront the abyss. He called for a knowledge that did not merely observe the world, but transformed it. Nietzsche's philosophy centered around the will to power, the driving force of all life. To him, science was often too passive, too focused on cataloging truths rather than creating them. Yet he recognized the value of science as a tool, a means to strip away illusions and confront the stark realities of existence. But Nietzsche's ultimate concern was not with facts. It was with meaning. What does knowledge serve, if it cannot give life purpose? In his eyes, science had become a dangerous idol, one that denied humanity its creative freedom. He feared that science, in its relentless pursuit of objectivity, would strip life of its mystery, its passion, and its sacredness. And now, in our own era, Nietzsche's critique resonates louder than ever. We live in a world dominated by science and technology, a world of endless data and unprecedented discoveries. But we must ask ourselves, have we forgotten to live? Have we become mere observers, detached from the very essence of being? Nietzsche did not reject science, he sought to redeem it. He dreamed of a knowledge that could dance, that could embrace the chaos of existence and still affirm life. He challenged us to go beyond mere understanding, to create, to transform, to become gods ourselves. So, did Nietzsche believe in science? Perhaps not in the way we think. For Nietzsche, science was a tool, but never the master. He believed not in knowledge for its own sake, but in knowledge that dared to shape the destiny of humankind. This is Chronicles of Legends. Join us as we dive deeper into the lives, ideas, and legacies of the greatest minds in history. Like, share, and subscribe, because the pursuit of knowledge is only the beginning.